Hey guys, welcome back for another one. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm going to start posting videos towards this December ACT, so stay tuned. Let's try a quick skill called multiplicity, really multiplicity with polynomials. The idea with multiplicity is the number of times a root shows up. Really, if I have x minus 2 to the first, well, it's going to go straight through x equals 2. Whereas something like x minus 3 squared, that has a multiplicity of 2. Really, that 0, really x equals 3, shows up twice, in which case you should expect it to bounce off. And when something has a multiplicity of 3, something like x plus 4 to the third, really the 0 at x equals negative 4 shows up 3 times. And what does that do? That's actually creating a squiggle like that. Again, when something has a multiplicity of 3, it creates a squiggle. When something has a multiplicity of 2, it bounces off. And when something has a multiplicity of 1, it goes straight through. Let's try to apply this concept to two different questions. In fact, one is from an SAT non-calculator, and the other is from the ACT. Let's go ahead and try this one here. Well, the first thing that I would do is understand that, yeah, there's a 0 here at 0, so just x. There's a 0 here at 2, so x minus 2. And there's a 0 here at negative 3, thus x plus 3. At this point, you should recognize that, well, wait a second, through this 0, it's going straight through. Oh, that's a multiplicity of 1. This one is bouncing off, therefore that's a multiplicity of 2. And this one has, again, a straight through multiplicity. That's a multiplicity of 1. Which one of those match up with this? I really like the answer choice of B. Again, why? Because this is really a bounce. This is straight through with a multiplicity of 1. And this is again straight through with a multiplicity of 1. Therefore, B. Come with me over here to this ACT question, and this one's a 59. Really, they think this question's really, really hard. But I would argue it's actually quite simple. I'll let you guys pause the video here if you'd like. Take a second and try. And if you get the question, or if you want to just watch along with me, you can unpause. Let's try this question now. This is a number 59. Well, the first thing that I notice is, oh, it's going through negative 4, thus x plus 4 is the 0. This one is just x, and this one is x minus 6. At this point, let's talk about multiplicities. Well, this one is going straight through, so that's a 1. This one is bouncing off, interesting, so that's a 2. And this one is squiggling through. That's a 3. At that point, which answer choice does that? Well, this has x squared, this has the cube on x minus 6, and this has x plus 4 to the 1. Really, the answer choice is D. That's a good multiplicity question. This doesn't show up all the time on the ACT, but when it does, you've got to be prepared. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video if you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.